Waking up to a dead battery on your cell phone, waiting hours for it to charge, or trying to shove a big, bulky charger into your bag are unnecessary hassles you don't need to deal with. A working cell phone has become a vital necessity in today's age. Keep your mobile powered with Ceba RAPI, the world's first 12 minutes recharging power bank. Just plug it in, wait for 12 minutes, and enjoy power for hours. RAPI is there for you whenever you need. If you forget to charge your phone at night, RAPI gets your back. Just connect it and get ready for any busy day. With RAPI, your phone will be ready to go before you are. You can take Ceba RAPI with you easily to everywhere you travel. You never have to worry about your phone dying unexpectedly. In just 12 minutes, faster than getting your coffee ready, RAPI will charge your phone up ever before you board the plane you try to catch. The PD-QC sockets charge the device twice as fast. With its 2 different ports, it becomes compatible with all types of mobile devices. The safety system ensures comprehensive protection. The portable size makes the device easy to carry along.
Today, we have advanced gadgets, but their batteries still take a long time to charge. To address this, we created RAPI Power Bank, charging up to 80% in just 8 minutes. Ceba RAPI uses advanced 10C ultra-fast charging lithium-ion cells with enhanced safety features, preventing overheating and ensuring higher efficiency at 120 watt and beyond. Our goal is to extend this fast charging technology to various appliances, making it the top choice for indoor, outdoor, and industrial use.